Kailangan ko nang pumunta sa mundo ng mga halimaw. Halimaw! No mercy!
Playboy, this is the last game of the day. Castro. Castro, drive. Castro lang gihapon. Steal.
Ay, nagpan kayo. Tira lang kung pan.
2 points.
Nanay bungot. Magwati na, nanay bungot. Nanay bungot. Mau na siya? Sure na na?
14 na, 14.
14.
Sir.
Or 15 na sila. 14 na sila. 3 kami ang 3. 14 sila, 14 sila. 3 ni.
Arbel.
14-3?
Tama.
Ano pa yung nakasa? Mo pagyapis pikas. Anak ta ba?
Ay, ana ta. 5 na, 5.
Isa pa. Patay.
14.
Back to back 3.
Wala yung mga patekot.
Foul. Loose forward.
Okay lang, okay lang. Ilog.
Basket count and a foul. Foul number 30, first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus throw on Mr. Alfaro. No good.
Dua mo.
Guillen.
Dua mo.
Castro.
Abo, lugar.
Montoya. Daniel. Montoya take 3.
Good. Lagi mamaya kung tuyo. Palo.
Unbound. Daniel.
Hingga.
Castro take 3. Airborne.
Kuha na lang yan. Sa tira lang.
Alfaro.
14.
14 shot clock. Magwate.
10.
10 shot clock. Take 3. No good. Kuha ni Guillen. Pass to Daniel. Daniel take 3.
16-12.
Panan. Puro 3.
Mao tayo namang ginaingon, sir.
12-16 in favor of Pink.
Plus 20.
Magwate. Take 3.
Iyay ka. Balos.
Mas king karma.
Ubalos. Karma na yun ba?
Daniel. Montoya.
14.
Munti ka ng maaga. 10 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Montoya. Pabandang tira. No good. Kuha ni Guillen. Kuha yung number 22. Magwate. O Gibay. Gibay fakes. Foul.
Kailang.
Foul on Castro. First personal foul. 30 foul.
Isog sila. Kitagkan kayo sila. Balik man ikaw.
Infiltras Mr. Gibay. One point.
Galag na pod ba? Dugay kay mapindot. Dua.
Another 1 point. Mr. Gibay. 2 points all. 21-12 in favor of Pink.
Oy, hindi ako daw.
Montoya.
16-21.
Magwate. Loreto, no good. Juanes Betinor, no good. Arbal.
Next lagi kanan.
Prepare sa mandatory. No good. Foul. 22. Magwate first personal foul, first team foul.
Wala.
Wala.
Sudah jadi muda aja makakita ko. Ano lagi? Ipit ko dere.
1 point.
16-21.
Mr. Guillen.
5 na lang. Last possession. 15. 10 to shoot.
Steal. Counter steal. Points number 11. Mandatory.
Mana 21 gikan. 21 gikan,
21 gikan 21. Plus 2, 23.
Indot man din lang match up po, Gibay og Sevelo. What it's all about.
Montoya. Guillen. No good. Guillen ng Japon. 2 points, Guillen. 18-23 in favor of Pink. Matikan pamagaw. Sasang. No good. Arbal. Same ball. 14 shot clock. Number 13, no good. Rebound ni Mr. Sasa. No good. Alpay. Block. Ezekiel stop and shoot. No good. Arbal. Bola side. Mike Green. Montoya. Alcoy, nice save. Severo. Daniel. Back to Montoya. Montoya.
5 to shoot.
Guillen, 5 to shoot. 2 points, Guillen.
23-20.
23-20 in favor of Pink.
Kung walay plus, lamang na.
Oh, lamang na no.
Sasam. Foul. Mr. Daniel. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Sasa. Monfort.
10.
10 to shoot. Valles. Foul. Foul, Mr. Penalty. Penalty or penalty? Valles, no good. No good. Rebound ni Guillen. Sevelo to Daniel. Montoya to Daniel. Sevelo. 10 shot clock. Very good. Steal ni Montoya. 3.
Tabla. Daniel. Tabla na. Tabla na.
Tabla na.
15.
23 all. 15 shot clock.
10.
10. Sasam 2 points.
Two and 10.
No.
Kadala kayo, nag-table pa ko.
Rebound. Foul.
Sa rep. Ayan, nag-table pa ko, dala kayo. Ang saray. Sige. Papiton ko. Papiton ko yung Vince. Sige. Last game na rin. Na. 1 point ano? Sige, Chan.
Nine to shoot.
9 to shoot. No good. Juan Sevelo. Montoya. Step back 3. No good. Bola sa green.
Tulbaan ko ba?
14 shot clock.
Mo itong katangan gino. Kasi pwede mo silpon ko. Dua ka protektahan.
Out of bounds. Steal. Response, Mr. Sasang. Defense to offense. No good. Out of bounds. Seconds to play.
Bubiyahe pa daw Katlawan.
Balance.
14.
14 shot clock. Sasang. No good. Kuha ni Sevelo. Montoya. 2 points.
26-27.
Traveling violation. 26 seconds. Score 26-27 in favor of Pink. Steal.
Wala na shot clock.
No more shot clock. Foul down. Number 3, Mr. Daniel. Second personal foul, penalty. Penalty na ref.
27-26. Lamang lamog isa. Tulo na ron. Kumasyat ang doa. Tulo na ron.
1 point.
Red horse pag masyat. Ikasa na. Wala man. Wala lang sa.
Alcoy ang madali. Pass to Severo. 2 points. Severo.
10. 5.
5.
4 seconds.
Kickball violation. 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
3
3
points.
seconds. Montoya, take 3.
Thirty-one, 28.
31-28 in favor of
Green team.
light green.
Light green. Kato, last tira ni Montoya, sir.
Ano ba? Bola sa pink. Number 22, Mr. Magwate. Pasok palo, back to Magwate, drive. Block! Block by Mr. Montoya.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Gibay. Basket count and a foul. Foul on Mr. Sevelo, first personal foul, first team foul. One point,
Kabla.
31 all. Magwate, 2 points. And good.
Uy, gago, nawala. Pero it's a prank.
2 points, Magwate.
Ngayon na lang, uptick ko kamot.
Montoya fakes, drives, pass to Sevelo, shoots, 2 points. Foul. Foul number 2, Castro, second personal foul, second team foul.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Betinol, no good. Castro, Sevelo. Two points. Foul. Number 11. Alfaro, first personal foul, first team foul. Remaining time 2 minutes, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 points.
Sevelo.
Traveling violation po. Sir. Alcoy. Montoya. Back to Alcoy. Sevelo. Sevelo shoots. No good. Munti ka ng maaga. Foul. Foul on Mr. Castro. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Ready?
No good. Juan Isabelo. Castro. Castro take 3. No good. Gibay. One more Euro step. 2 points by Mr. Gibay. Betinol. 2 points. Sheesh. 41-35 in favor of kickball violation. Magwate. Kuha ni Mr. Nakuha niya po ni Mr. Magwate. Take 3. Time out, light green. Score 35-44 in favor of pink.
Kamu gini tiwas dito lang? Wala, lain na pagkawan ko sa lain na lain na ko kay bang ko sa bigas mo ng liga. Okay, bigas na. Oh shit. Wala ko. Bala mo dito. Mambabae na gud ko. Uy. 3 points. Ha? 3 points. 1 point lang kasampan ta sa tong misis.
Castro. Algoy. Sivelo. 15 shot clock. Algoy, take 3. No good. Kuha ni Mr. Corpus.
Oh.
Magwate. Foul. Foul on number 16. Mr. Alcoy, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning. Gibay to Palo. Take 3. 2 points, 2 points.
Last ball possession.
Last ball possession para mag-mandatory. Prepare, mandatory 5.
Pag ma-shot.
Foul.
Wala pa.
Who's foul rep? Number 7. Foul number 7, Mr. Betinol. First personal
wala
foul,
pa.
second team foul. Prepared as a mandatory.
Unya pa, 5-15.
Cervelo. No good. One point. 36-46. Still. Cervelo. Foul.
Sub. Mandatory.
First foul rep.
Mandatory na daw, sir.
Mandatory na sir, mandatory.
5-15.
5:15 pa ubos sir,
5:15 daw,
mandatory
sir.
ta.
Mandatory na, mandatory. Penalty wala. Wala pa penalty?
Wala pa. 13 foul pa, 13 foul.
Sarap ng dugo ko.
Play ball. Daniel to Castro. Back to Daniel. Daniel. Foul. Foul ang tawag ng ating referee. Number 30. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Inbound by Mr. Corpus. Pass Daniel. Daniel fakes. 10 shot clock. Castro Castro, take 3. Oh, good. Sivelo. Ay, no good. Hassel. Wala. Ano ba? Bola sa pink. Vales. Sasam. 15 shot clock.
10.
Ang backcourt violation. Daniel. Steal. Sasam. Coloreto. Back to Sasam. Sasam block by Mr. Corpus. Daniel. Drives. No good. Kuha ni Mr. Ezekiel. Pass to Loreto. Loreto shoots. No good. Kuha ako ni Mr. Loreto. Foul number 25. Penalty direct, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty.
Set ko lang, kamay na ka.
46, 36, 39. Tama na, sir. 1 point. Another 1 point. Daniel.
9 points lead.
9-point lead. Sa pink. Sivelo. 15 shot clock. Castro, take 3. Rebound Mr. Ang. Sasam. Tuvales. Iban Loreto. Ezekiel. Vales.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Sasam. No good. Rebound ni Castro.
Dala.
Castro. To Daniel. Back to
Binga,
Castro.
bakante.
Sivelo. Sivelo. No good. Kuha ni Loreto. Ezekiel. Back to Loreto. Loreto. 2 points.
Gamit na nila no? 6 something. 655. 6605.
Salig lang.
Daniel drives. 2 points. Sivelo. 41-50 in favor of Pink. 9-point lead. Sasa.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Vales no good. Kuha ni Sivelo. Pass to Daniel. 2 points.
Baba na ta.
Last 1 minute and 55.
Paulay Tikas.
Ezekiel. To Loreto. Take 3. No good. Kuha ni Mr. Corpus. To Sivelo. Daniel. Take 3. 46-50 in favor of Pink. 4-point lead.
1 and 30. 1 and 25.
1 and 25 seconds.
12 to shoot.
12 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Vales. Stop and shoot. No good. Kuha ni Castro.
Dala.
Pass to Daniel. Pass to Corpus. Sivelo. Spins. Lea. Finger roll is good. Time out. Pink. The score 48-50 50 in favor of Pink.
Stang, okay ha? Okay lang ha?
Yawa eh. Only 500. Sa San Miguel na halik ko.
Ayawa.
San Miguel lang eh.
Ngayon na ka dito ah. Sige, sa Miguel lang ako. Ngayon na ka dito ba? Sa Miguel lang yung dito.
Dito pa kang lingkod.
Dito pa lang tayo.
Sabayan na lang.
Bigyan ko kawa. Ayaw daw pa ka dito kay.
Bawal. Seconds to play.
Boy, yung liga. Ano pa gumag na? Mana liga.
50 seconds. 50 to shoot.
10.
Loreto, 10 to shoot. Wow! What an epic play by Mr. Sasam. 2 points. Daniel, 35 seconds.
Abot o 1-4. Gusto mo kayo kumukuha niyo. Maurot dito.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Castro take 3.
No more shot clock.
No more shot clock.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. 15 seconds. Ezekiel. Shoots. No good.
10
Kwali
seconds.
Sasam. 2 points. 5 seconds.
5 seconds. 4 pa. 3 pa. 2.4.
Foul number 19. First personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty. Pre.
Penalty.
Dili na ta.
Remaining time 2 seconds. One point.
Last shot.
Another 1 point. End of the second quarter.
Grabe. 1 point lang oh. Good choice. Take some time to rest. Peter, sige na to. Bola sa green. Bola ng green. Good sa kay kasi ya.
Third quarter. Steal. Gibay. Pass to Margarate. 2 points.
Check mo eh. 12.
Suvelo. Steal again. Magwate.
Ay, wala.
No good. Juan Castro. Guillen. 2 points.
Dili na lang timeout, sir. Wala. Nakakuha na to. Miss Vernon. Thinking out loud. Intrusive thoughts.
Gibay.
Ulat ta. Musulod
15
ako.
shot clock. Matinol. Basket count and a foul.
Sa mga kapulan mo kay mata. Ikot naman ka doon.
Foul on Mr. Mustoya. Second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus throw on Mr. Betinol.
Tak pa.
Wala kayo naman daw. Ben, nice
One
one. Nice one, Christian. Ha!
Sir, enemy sir, enemy.
Enemy hawa dia, dito kami.
Mortal, mortal.
Hello! Sino ka bang layo? Ayaw!
Sevelo.
Set the play!
Third shot clock. Castro, take 3. Air ball.
Sir, balik lagi daw dito sir. Masiguyodon ka na sir.
Gibay. Steal.
Nice one, Lo. Oh, mukha.
Daniel. Counter steal. Magwater. Time out, light green.
Pas-pas kay managan ng pink ko eh.
Apoy na na. Ay, wala man buko na na.
Nanghiri ka. Nanghiri ka. Ako naman ko. Pero
Pagkasunod sa gawin.
kami sunod na.
Kasi nga nila. Ayaw sa gaya na eh. Amo, ako mo.
Play ball.
Set sa, set ni mo. Imong dula, imong dula.
Montoya. Sevelo. Sevelo.
Oh, binga.
Then,
Montoya. Take 3. No good. Rebound number 14, Mr. Monfort. Magwater. 2 points.
Oh, kuha na tong weakness oh. Ang balik na to.
ten.
Same shot clock. Arbang. 5 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Good. 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 Natira ka sir. 2 points. Billion.
Ten.
Yes sir.
Dead ball na sir, kung hindi basket nila. Five.
5 shot clock. Magwater. Montoya.
Yan, bro, kaya.
Daniel. Sevelo. Sevelo. Foul.
Time out. Gibay. 18, gibay.
Time out. Pink.
Yan ang
Foul, Mr. Gibay. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Now the time out na giri na upat pod.
Time out sa... Kaya. Time out rep. Puli referee. Kay Kapoy na.
Score.
56, 57.
56-57 in favor of Pink.
Hashtag tuloy na.
Tugod ni kayo.
Dala kanina lubat ilo na. Hindi ka malubat ang pitch kinahanglan.
Wala ka muna na. Arim sit like
Ikan. Init pagiging lugar.
Igam. Ako, kaya na ako.
Victor. Sevelo. No good.
Gibay, dua.
No good. Rebound number 11. Steal. Daniel take 3. No good. Kuha ni Sevelo. 2 points. Gibay. Intercept. Safe ball.
Kaya sa dahil pag-ingunhan na idula ha. Kaya sa pag-inugin, kanangit siya mo dito. Kulapit ka sa buwan na. Nakauwi ako, bahala. Kana rep, kota!
15 shot clock. Tinoy, 2 points. 68-59, favor of Pink. Daniel, Severo, take 3. No good. Juan Guillen. Steal. Magwanda to Gibay. Gibay drives. Pinoy stop. 2 points. Gibay. Double double.
70-59.
70-59 in favor of Pink. Gibay. 14 shot clock. Severo, no good. Rebound ni Magbuwate. Prepare mandatory. Gibay. Moonfort. To Magbuwate.
Nice one, kapatid ni Magwate. Bawal na mo balik si Sabelo.
Si Sabelo lang. Si Sabelo lang bawal.
Busi ka ng...
Si Daniel. Street plus Daniel.
Unom lang
Wala sir, duwara sa straight. Duwara sa straight. Sa second mandatory na sir. Nagsulod sa second quarter.
Si Gillian.
Sige sir, tulad.
Dili. Naggawa siya kanina.
Gawa siya kanina.
Nagawa siya kanina. Nagawa sa first mandatory sa second quarter.
Si Castro din dili. Sabelo lang po. Actually, pwede ka naman straight si Gibay. Pwede di siya mo straight.
Gillian.
Bawal lang mo straight.
Bawal sa mas straight good kay. Kompleto mo sila.
Rebound ni Loreto. Loreto na points. Montoya. Alcoy. Steal. Good. Rebound ni Palo. Rebound ni Sasa. No good. Rebound ni Daniel. Daniel take 3. No good. Kuha ni Loreto.
To shoot.
15 to shoot.
Time
To shoot. 5 to shoot. Palo. No good. Sasa shoots. 2 points.
3 and 15.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
15 ah. 15 yun.
Alcai steal again. Number 9, Paro, 2 points.
Last 3.
Corpus, 2 points. Sasa, 15 shot clock. Palo, shoots. No good. Kuha ni Alcoy. Montoya. To Daniel. Guillen. 2 points.
Two and 15.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 shot clock. 10 shot clock.
5 shot clock.
5 shot clock. Take 3. 1 and 50. Guillen, miscommunication, out of bounds, bola sa pink. Sasa. 15 shot clock.
10.
10.
6 seconds.
6 second shot clock. 6 second shot clock. 6 second shot clock.
Good.
Very good. Alcoy. Take 3. No good.
Seconds
To play. Palo. To Ezekiel. 2 points.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. 15 shot clock.
40 seconds.
30 seconds. Alcoy. No good. Guillen.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Say foul. Say foul, right? Second personal foul. Second team foul.
25 seconds.
25 seconds.
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot.
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. No good. One Alcoy.
No more shot clock.
No more shot clock.
10
10 seconds. Daniel, take 3. No good.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. End of the third quarter.
Last quarter na. Technical si Loreto. Oh. Guwapo kayo. Ay, nakakawat di ay. Lagi?
The score 84-63 in favor of Pink.
Bola sa pink. Ako kay Big. Di patagaluan ni Bayo. Mudang dyan ni si Sergey Byron. 2 hands. Reverse pag yun. Ay, top board ay. 260 no? Ako na injured. Abot yapon ko kaliro. Ako, hindi ako dulat rin. Piri ko. Fourth na, sir.
Fourth na sir.
Bitinol.
2 points. Daniel. Steal. Maguate. Stop and shoot. 2 points. Defense to offense. Castro. to Severo. 14 foul, Mr. Monfort, first personal foul, first team foul. Foul number 13, second personal foul, first team foul. Giba, 15 to shoot. Monfort, Magwate, shoots, 2 points.
Wate, ginawa na ron. Best player.
Severo, take 3, no good. Betinol, steal. Score 90-66 in favor of Pink.
10.
Monfort, Betinol, Gibay. Wow, right now. Time out, right green.
Time out!
Fatima. Fatima no. Fatima. Bungkap juga yung.
Hindi pa bander dito?
Ano?
Napakaidagan na ron niya. Asa?
Putos siya ko no kay si Miss Man.
Apod.
Aha, Fatima. Magkamamang na bulian ni. Tutong na.
Isang busog lang.
Hilis lagi ba?
Kulian mo na.
Kada ko ang singot nga ma-tulo sa kong mata. Mura kag ma-apil.
Oh.
Arat man.
Severo, to Daniel, fakes, shoots. No good. Juan Gulien, 2 points. Magwate. Monfort. Gibay. 15 to shoot.
10.
10. Magwate. Take 3.
Grabe, oy, kondisyon na, oy! Kondisyon na, oy! Best player na kayo ba?
Castro. Take 3.
Balos pod. Grabe, Sir Magwati, kondisyon kayo ba? O, sa Magwati.
Patay na.
Alfaro. No good. Rebound ni Mr. Betinol. Paso Alfaro. No good. Rebound ni Gillian. Number 11, Mr. Alfaro. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Astro. Gas.
Montoya. Take 3. No good. Rebound ni Sabelo. Gillian. To Castro. No good. Kuha ni Sabelo. Out of bounds. Same ball.
13, ego sa ring.
13 shot clock. 13 shot clock. Sabelo. Drive. Basket count. And a foul. Sablet. Foul number 18, Mr. Gibay. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus throw on Mr. Sevelo. Julien, kuha ni Sevelo. Gawa ng bola. Foul.
Okay na to.
11. Foul number 11, Mr. Faro. Sublet. Third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Jericho, wala ka.
1 point.
Audio, out.
Nine to shoot.
9 to shoot. Gibay. No good. Ezekiel, 2 points. Daniel, take 3. No good. Libraw ni Ang. Magwate drives. Intercept. 15 shot clock. 10 shot clock.
5.
5. Castro. Sevelo drives. No good. Kuha ni Magwate.
Relax na.
Sab yata sila. Sir, sab mo sir, dead ball. Dead ball. 10 to shoot.
Latino, no good. Castro. Sevelo, 2 points. Latino, Gibay.
Sab.
Out of bounds. Sevelo.
10.
3. Sevelo. 2 points.
Undo.
Ezekiel, 2 points. Minute time, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Alcoy, take 3. Rebound and out. Ang stop and shoot. No good. Kuha ni Gillian. Castro. Sevelo. 2 points.
2 minutes and 50.
Gibay. So Ezekiel, 2 points. Montoya. To Castro. Gillian.
10.
Castro. To Sevelo. Take 3. No good. Magwate. 2 points.
Lakas pa mga oras, no?
Tivelo. 2 points.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. $15 shot clock.
Yes, ako mga chicks, nagulat na. Ha? Wala.
10 shot clock.
Slide lang.
Slide ko rin sa slide.
5 seconds.
5 second shot clock. Good. Good. Gibay.
10.
10 to shoot.
5.
5. 2 points. One and 20. Castro. Take 3. Up, in and out.
Woo! Nanginginig na ang aking...
Betinol. No good. Alcoy.
Seconds to play.
Seconds to play. Alcoy take 3. No good. Wariang.
3 points.
Tumagwate.
Dira. May 4 points. Laro kayo sa video.
15 shot clock. $35 seconds. 5 shot clock. Best player of the game, Mr. Maguate, number 22. 31 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals.
Ban.